how to activate the ambient light effect, which is very similar to that of edge lighting on the Samsung phone. This here is the iQOOZ7 smartphone with FunTouch OS 13 and Android 13. To find this feature, you'll go ahead and use the quick panel axis, pull it down 2 times until you see the settings gear icon right here. Once you tap on that, from here on, you'll go down until you see the dynamic effects. Once here, you'll look for the ambient light effect. As you enter here, the first thing you want to do is be sure to enable it for both the always on display, if you have it enabled at the moment, and your on-screen display. Once you do this here, now you can go ahead and choose the custom time range as to when this will go into effect. Okay, if you turn this off, basically it's going to be on all the time, or if you want it to be only enabled for a certain time of the day, you can choose a start time and an end time. You can enable this for both the incoming calls and newly received notifications, okay? And if you want to have this enabled for incoming calls here, turn this on and you'll tap here. This one here is going to apply for the incoming calls. So you can change it with these here. And for some odd reason, it doesn't let you see how they look for some of them. So you can see this one shows me that there, but the others doesn't show up, okay? But I think maybe because this one here is a more of a fitting one for incoming calls to flash on your display. You can change the color for some of these here and adjust the transparency for some of them, okay? You just press apply when you're ready to save the changes. This one here doesn't have different colors because it's a multicolor option. Now, once you've made your changes here, you can go down to the notification section one, make sure this is turned on. So if it's off, you can't have access to this, but when you turn it on, you'll get access to these here. For the notification one, you'll have to go here and you can choose to enable it for all the apps or turn this off and just individually turn on for those apps that you want them for. So maybe you just want it for like Facebook and maybe Gmail, then you could just turn it on for those apps. As you come out of here now, you'll go down a little bit until you see a light effect for notifications. So this one is going to apply to the incoming notifications. This is only for the incoming calls, okay? So when I go here, pretty much the same thing. And when we tap on these here, you can get the different options here. And for some odd reason, once again, it seems like you can only view how they look only if you come out. So when I come out of here, you'll see how they were as I previously selected them, okay? And same thing goes, change colors, transparency, the width, and the duration of it, okay? And once you've made your selection here, press apply, that'll save it. And of course, that's gonna apply for the notifications. And that's that. If you don't want them, just turn this one off, turn this off, and also turn these off here to the top, and you're good to go, like and sub.